It's time for this week's Look Through Life. Our February missions emphasis is the Hospital of Hope serving in Togo. The hospital is comprised of more than 140 Togolese staff and over 40 expats from overseas, including our partner Alan Niles, who desire to show God's love and care to those living in West Africa. This month, our goal is to raise $16,000 to fund equipment such as portable ultrasound machines, stethoscopes, pulse oximeters, handheld otoscopes, and measuring tapes. You can give towards this cause online or via the Church Center app by utilizing the monthly Missions Emphasis Fund. The Oxygen Choir invites you to join us for our first rehearsal of the new year on Monday at 7 p.m. Come meet our team, sing with us, and consider becoming a part of our wonderful community of singers. Light refreshments and sheet music will be provided. Please bring a black binder and a pencil or a pen. Please contact oxygenchoir@gmail.com with any questions, and we'll look forward to seeing you there. Ladies, join us for a special evening of connection, laughter, and vision as we kick off our women's ministry for the year this Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. This is a chance to meet our new Ladies of Life director, April Brown, enjoy fellowship with other women, and hear the heart behind where God is leading us. Come expecting community, encouragement, and a fresh sense of purpose. Feel free to reach out to Ladies Director April Brown at abrown@lifecharlotte.com for more information, or stop by our information table in the lobby on your way out today. This Friday is the next meeting of One Lake Norman, a ministry for young adults aged 18 to 30. One Lake Norman meets the second Friday of every month in conjunction with several area churches in Lake Norman, and this Friday's meeting will be at New Song Church in Cornelius. Join us for a night of worship, teaching, and connection with other young adults in our area. This month, there will also be a Galentine's dinner for all young adult women at 5:30 prior to the gathering. For more information, visit onelkn.com. And that's all for this week's Look Through Life.